Exhilarating, huh? Good. Next up, Tafi, Atome, in the Volta region, where we come face to face with the Mona monkey and experience a unique coexistence between man and monkey.
After a 2.5-hour drive from Accra, we are at Tafi, Atome, the home of the Mona monkey.
Tafi people believe to have migrated from Asini, and Asini is part of central western Ghana. The people believe worshipping in deities, so the traditional priest was instructed by the deities to settle it in a cool place. So he was directed to this present place, and the deities were kept in part of this forest.
Welcome to Tafi Atome Monkey Sanctuary, where man and monkey live in harmony.
After a successful battle, they attributed their success to the help from their gods, and a day was fixed. The whole community went into the forest to perform the rituals. So to their dismay, what they realized over there was few monkeys and a tortoise surrounding the deities in the forest. And the people believed the animals were the representative of the gods.
The Tafi community is made up of man and monkey. The monkeys bring the tourists, while the people ensure their habitat is left intact, untouched, adding to it as it gets depleted, a unique symbiotic relationship.
With some assistance from the Japanese Embassy and USAID, a grant was given to the village for a reforestation project to be carried out at the portion which has been cultivated by the farmers some time ago. So we had a tree planting exercise which took place in 1996. So since then, the project started on a small scale. With some assistance from the NCRC again, they were able to send down some volunteers here who came and managed the affairs of the project. So we were under the control of the volunteers and the NCRC as a whole till the year 2000, when everything has finally been handed over to the community to manage by a tourism management committee.
The idyllic setting and the welcoming nature of the people is refreshing. Indeed, for an expatriate couple, this has become their paradise.
Hi, my name's Paul and this is my wife Helen. Hello. And we're happy to be here in Tafi Atome. Behind us is our house where we've been staying now for 5 weeks, which is in the forest where the local Mona monkey live. Helen's teaching English at the local JSS school, and I've been planting trees since my arrival. We go home to the UK, although I'm originally from New Zealand. We go home in March, and so that gives us a total of 8 weeks in which to try and get some plants germinated so that they can plant them in the forest when I leave.
The concept of ecotourism is given great credence here. Daring yet suspicious, playful yet shy, the Mona monkey is a recognized member of the Tafi Atome community. Man and monkey coexist in peace.
Ghana so pretty, Ghana say surely, Ghana so pretty, Ghana say oh. Ghana so pretty.